Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore cold outreach with Lemlist step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Lemlist account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Campaigns tab located in the left-hand menu. To create a new campaign, click on the Create a Campaign button. Choose a suitable name for your campaign that reflects its purpose. Now, import your email list by clicking on the Add Recipients section. You can upload a CSV file or paste the email addresses directly. Ensure the email addresses are valid and formatted correctly. Next, select the type of outreach campaign you want to run. Choose between sending personalized emails or a more general approach. Once you've selected your campaign type, proceed to craft your email templates. Utilize the built-in editor to customize your message. Incorporate dynamic elements such as personalized names or company details. This will enhance engagement and increase your response rates. Next, set up your sending schedule. Decide on the timing and frequency for your emails to be sent. Make sure to consider your target audience's time zone. Now, review your email sequences to ensure everything flows smoothly. It's essential to double-check for any grammatical errors or broken links. Once you're satisfied with the content, it's time to set tracking options. Enable tracking for opens, clicks, and replies to monitor your outreach success. Next, configure your email settings. Make sure your SMTP connection is properly set up for optimal deliverability. After confirming your settings, hit the Launch Campaign button. Monitor the campaign performance regularly through the dashboard analytics. Analyze open rates, click rates, and response rates to measure success. Adjust your strategies based on the data collected to improve future outreach efforts. Consider A/B testing different subject lines or templates for better results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.